Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise benendodana nomoya ocebileyo. Namhlanje ke sibuyela ezwini likaNkulunkulu, sihlala kulona simuza ukuthi uthini uNkulunkulu. We go back to Ruth chapter 4 from verses 1, going back to what's the end of this beautiful chapter. Siyakhumbula ithandwa zami ukuthi in the previous video Naomi had asked Ruth ukuthi she must actually go and uncover the feet of Boaz, and when Naomi had asked that, and Ruth does go and Ruth obeys, but when she gets there, Boaz refuses. Boaz says, "You are an honorable woman. I cannot do this to you. Let me do this the right way." And he argues so beautifully. He says, there is someone closest who's supposed to redeem you. But should he not redeem you, I will redeem you. That's the first thing that he says, that he does. The second thing that he says and he does, and that also touches me, he says, you are a great woman. You are a woman of great honor. I don't want abantu bazi ukuthi ubulana. I don't want to put your name into disrepute. Therefore, let's get up early in the morning and umnikeza ukudla ukuthi you can go back home and I will protect you with everything that I have. In chapter 4, verse 1, now Boaz had gone up to the gate and sat down there, and behold, the Redeemer of whom Boaz had spoken came by. So Boaz said, "Turn aside, friend, sit down here." And he turned aside and he sat down. And he took 10 men of the elders of the city, and he said, "Sit down here." So they sat down. Then he said to the Redeemer, "Naomi, who has come back from the country of Moab, is selling the parcel of land that belonged to our relative Elimelech. So I thought I will tell you of it and say, buy it in the presence of these sitting here and in the presence of the elders of my people. If you will redeem it, redeem it. But if you will not, tell me, that I may know, for there is no one besides you to redeem it, and come after you." And he said, "I will redeem it." Then Boaz said, "The day you buy the field from the hand of Naomi, you also acquire Ruth the Moabite, the widow of the dead, in order to perpetuate the name of the dead in his inheritance." Then the Redeemer said, "I cannot redeem it for myself, lest I impair my own inheritance. Take my right of redemption yourself, for I cannot redeem it." This is something absolutely beautiful. If you go and you listen to this account from verse 1 to verse 6, I'm not sure if you picked up certain things here. Boaz goes to the city and he waits at the gate. Unkumbuza abantu mabeza bezothi "Hey baba," and that's what the tradition is. He doesn't go into the city, he's outside the gate. And he takes 10 men of the elders, unkumbuza abakhongi, and they go and he says, "I cannot redeem this woman. Someone else has the first right. The priorities runs with this man." And he invites him and he says to him, "Do you want to buy the piece of land that Naomi is selling?" And the man is interested. He says, "Yes, I want the piece of land." And then Boaz reminds him, if you want the piece of land, you also must take Ruth, because what are you going to do with her? She's a foreigner. She has come here because of Naomi. And so you've got to take her and redeem the land and perpetuate children for the dead. When uzovusa umuzi ka Elimelech, and the man says, I want the land, but I can't have the woman. And Boaz says, but uyalazi isiko, uma ufuna ukuthatha lo mhlaba sekukhona umfelokazi khona, kumele ubathathe bobabili. And the man does an honorable thing. He says, I can't do it. And because I cannot do it, I give that right back to you. Angikwazi ukwenza. Khona leli gama elibalekile empilweni. Accepting ukuthi angikwazi ukwenza. Ungayenzi into ekuxakayo. Ungayenzi into ekusindayo. Ungayenzi into ezokufakela inkinga. Now, the argument he brings is quite interesting. He says, if I do that, it will impact on my inheritance. It will affect my inheritance. There are a few things that are worth interesting in engaging in any relationship, be it friendship, love relationship, marriage, whatever we are. I think we owe it to ourselves to always safeguard the well-being of our families, the well-being of our children. There's nothing wrong with having friends. There's nothing wrong with the males and the females being friends, men and women. There's nothing wrong with men alone being friends. There's nothing wrong with women alone being friends. There's nothing wrong with young and old being friends. There's nothing wrong with interracial, inter-whatever being friends. There's nothing wrong with that. And in fact, it must be encouraged. But it must not, it should never tamper with our families. Our friendship must never threaten my basic relationship with my family. Uma ubudlelwane bami nawe sebulimaza umndeni wami, then there's something I need to fix in our friendship. I'll give you a typical example. I may have a friend esithi njalo naye ntambama sibe ne chill out. Kodwa uma I chill out yethu yenzeka njalo, mina la ekhaya sengibuya ngo-10 ngo-12, that is stealing time from my family. Even if it means mina nomngani wami, there's nothing wrong esiyenzayo. It's like umuntu ophuma ngo-6 ekuseni abe semsebenzini uyozabuye ngo-9 ebusuku, and maybuya ngo-8 9 ukhathele, uyaqhubeka nomsebenzi, akasanesikhathi for ifamily. Something is not made sure. When do I have time for family? When do I have time for my spouse? When do I have time for my children? When do we have family time? If it's no longer healthy, it pushes me to start asking important questions. Yini lena engiyibalekelayo? Yin lena that I'm not prepared to deal with, that I'm not prepared to face. Why can't I spend time with family? I may be doing something absolutely good, absolutely so great, but it mustn't threaten the well-being of my family, because family is important. Lento ifana nokuthi ayikho into wrong kulabo abathanda ukudlala idokfela, and that's all good and well. Ayikho into wrong kulaba abathanda ama-sports, whether ukwadlala or ukwabuka. Ayikho into wrong ekuwasheni imoto. But I think there's something a bit dangerous if kokuthi angisayi esontweni ngoba ngiyesitokfeleni, angisayi esontweni ngoba ngizobe ngenza washing, angisayi esontweni ngoba ngizobe ngibuka ibhola, angisayi esontweni ngoba ngiyejimini. Because to me then it questions priorities. That means my priorities are me. Are a little bit skewed, because I don't see going to church, being in a community that worships, important. So kunezinto in themselves, they are not wrong. Kodwa in the scale of things, they leave certain things questionable, and they leave us not able to provide answers. There's also another interesting and yet dangerous thing. Angeke ngisebenza kakhulu ngesonto ngifuna ukuphumula, ngeke ngiye esontweni. Once in a while it might make sense, but mase kwenzeka njalo, I think one must always be careful not to leave a gap, because once I leave a gap, ngaphuma ave kunzima ukubuya. But it also then speaks to yini umsebenzi wokuyodumisa ndawonye, yokuyohlanganyela ndawonye. I think uNkulunkulu wayiqinisile uma ethi where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am present. I think there was some truth in that. I think also futhi uNkulunkulu wayiqinisile uma ebuka abantu bakhe bemdumisa bendawonye. If you go to the Acts of the Apostles chapter 5, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu baqala badumisa uNkulunkulu, kwakwangena umoya onzima, indonga zonke, and the foundations were shaken, because worship does that. If I'm able to do that, and I'm not saying one cannot do that at home, you can. Please make no mistake, one can worship at home, but one can also worship far more greater in the company of others. Because it's not just me worshiping God, it is us worshiping God. It is us being led by God. I'm not talking about special cases for people who literally cannot come for one reason or the other. Either they work, or they are immobile, or they're incapacitated. I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about someone who is capable. And I look at certain things, Sometimes I may want this for myself, but in me acquiring this, I may put my family in danger. And so I need to gauge and say, ngokwami ngiyakuthanda. And futhi ukube bengihlala ngedwa, bengashadile, bengakwenza, and that's okay. But now, because sekukhona abantu empilweni yami, angisakwazi ukwenza lokho. I mean, a typical example. Angikwazi ukuvotana ngihambe ngiye kashisa nyama every day, every now and again, and just enjoy and spend without any other thing, and then come back home and there's nothing. I just spend on me, spend and spend. I go to the mall and I spend and spend, and I wear all these beautiful brands and I spend and I spend, and ngiyabuywa ingane ayinayo imali yokuregister ekhaya kukho ukudla, izikweleti ayikhokhiwe. Priorities now. It's a simple thing for me. It says, on my own I could have done it, but now sekukhona abanye abantu sekumele ngicabangele nabanye abantu. Now there's something else that he does that is very interesting. When he says, I cannot redeem her, would you please do it? And I think there's honor in that. Don't string a person along. Ungadlali ngomuntu and string them. And that's something important. Anginawo amandla okukhokhela isho. Anginawo amandla okukuyisa lapha isho. Anginaso isifiso sokwenza lokho isho. It helps, especially in families. Kunabantu who are waiting. Ayu baba uthe uzosikhokhela. Ayu mama uthe uzoyifaka imali. Ayu umntwana wethu uthe uzokulungisa ukuthi. But then mangasenzeki. And I love what he does. And now if you go to verse 7. Now this was the custom in former times in Israel concerning redeeming and exchanging to confirm a transaction. One drew off his sandal and gave it to the other. And this was a manner of attesting in Israel. So when the Redeemer said to Boaz, buy it for yourself, he drew off his sandal. Then Boaz said to the elder and all the people, you are witnesses this day that I have bought from the hand of Naomi all that belonged to Elimelech, and all that belonged to Shilon and Mahlon. Also Ruth the Moabite, the widow of Mahlon, I have bought to be my wife, to perpetuate the name of the dead in his inheritance, that the name of the dead may not be cut off from among his brothers. And from the gate of his native place you are witnessed this day. Then all the people who were at the gate and the elders said, yes, we are witnessing to this. May the Lord make the woman who is coming into your house like Rachel and Leah, who together built up the house of Israel. May you act worthily in Ephratah and be renowned in Bethlehem. What a beautiful blessing. What a beautiful thing. Now, what happens? There's this tradition. You take off your sandal and you gave it. And when the Redeemer says he can't do it, this is interesting. Boaz does it. And Boaz says, because you cannot do it, and mina ngiyayithanda lento kubo bonke labantu, I am now making my redemption. Ngiyothatha umuzi ka-Elimelech. Ngakho konke ngizokulungisa. No Ruth, unkosikazi kaMahlon, ngiyamthatha. Ukuze ngivusele umyeni wakhe abantwana. Isiko longena leli. Kodwa futhi uzomlobola ngendlela efaneleyo. thandwa zami kubalekile ukwenza izinto the right way. Kubalekile ukulungisa izinto the right way. Izinto esizozilungisa ukuze abanikaziyo bangalimali nabantwana bangalimali. There are two things that are quite interesting. I don't want to talk mainly about this customary law and the implications of it, and yet it's something that one day one needs to look into and decide what does it mean? You know, for example, in South Africa today there was a case law where the judge, the court, made a ruling pertaining to the customary law. Labantu abashadile belobolene nje ngomlobolo, and then ijudge lanqaba ukuthi laba abashadile you cannot do ANC anti-nuptial contract after sebelobolene ngoba vele sebeshadile. And so there's a big hype going on around now about customary law nokulobolana kwabantu, and hence many people are arguing, especially legal experts are arguing ukuthi you've got to sign i-anti-nuptial contract before uzuthumela abantu bayothi baba bayolobola. But that's a story for another day when we sit down and look at that from the legal point of view. But it's something worth looking into, because baningi abazokwamkela amalobolo bengaboni ukuthi ngokwamkela amalobolo kunezinto ngokomthetho osuzibophezela kuzona, mhlawumbe wena obungeke uzibophezele kuzona. And siyayibalekela sometimes leyo nto yamalobolo, and khona ezinye izinto ezinhle ezenzakalayo, khona ezinye izinto eziyingozi ezenzakalayo. Akusiyo wonke umuntu okulobolayo ngoba ekuthanda. Omunye ukulobola ngoba nakho uzokwenza i-business transaction ngawe. And kwesinye isikhathi uma sesisemathandweni, kwesinye isikhathi uma sekunale hype yokuthi ayibo ingane yami iyalotsholwa, we don't necessarily sit down and say ayibo kwenzakalani la. Kunezinto kumele sihlaleni phansi sixoxeni ngazo ukuthi ubani lo ozolobola, uvelaphi, uvele ekhaya elinjani, umntwana wethu ozomshada bazophilisana kanjani nalomuntu, senazana isikhathi esingakanani nalomuntu osezocela ubuhlobo obuhle la thina la ekhaya. Nokuthi ikuphi, yabona ithandwa zami ngake ngayisho lento, and ngihlezi ngisho kwesinye isikhathi kunezinto ekumele sifundise abantwana bethu ukuthi indaba yothando nomathandana akuyona into efanele siyikhulume ngoba nakho umuntu esemdala sesibona ukuthi usezoqoma. No. Abakhulu abantwana bethu beyazi ukuthi empilweni kunesigaba esizofika kuwena la ozoba interested khona, la ozokwazi ukuthanda khona umuntu, la ozofisa ukuba ne-relationship nomuntu. And ibalekile leyo nto ukuthi ikhulunywe, yaziwe, ixoxwe. Ingane isencane understand leyo concept ukuthi ezinkhula this is what is going to happen to me. And ingane yazi ukuthi you can choose either to get married or not to get married. You can choose either to have a relationship or not to have a relationship. You can choose at a particular time. Angisho ukuthi uzokwenza manje, but mntanami isikhathi sofika. And mase sifika angifuni wenze into ungakhulumanga nami. Lento kumina ithanda zami isibuyisele ekutheni asingabi labazali abamabhubesi. Asingabi lolu hlobo labazali abangangeneki. Asingabi lolu hlobo labazali abasatshwa zingane zabo ukuthi ingane ingaze yenze iphutha isabu kuzobikela umzali. Ayihlale nami ixoxe nami ingane. Angisho ukuthi ayibo umngane wami ubhululu wami uzokhuluma yonke into nengenangqondo noyimsangano yabo, cha. Kodwa kube khona izinto ukuthi lokhu kufanele ngiyokukhuluma noma, lokhu kumele ngiyokukhuluma nobaba, lokhu kumele ukuba siyokulungisa ngoba uma ngingakwenzi something is wrong and izosilimaza. And ibalekile leyo nto. Yabona thandwa zami, ungathola ukuthi wena ikhaya lakho it's okay. You guys have everything. Especially uthola ukuthi unengane eyodwa. Uyasebenza, unomuzi, niyayizamela nje kodwa yonke into right. Kodwa unengane eyodwa. U2 ithi suka lengane yakhe yodwa ithandane neqola eliyimina. And mina ngiyibuke lengane ngibuke nekhaya ngistadisha ukuthi ayibo lona they are well off. Bese ngisuka bese ngiyayikhohlisa ingane. Ikhohliseke ngempela ingane. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ekuyikhohliseni kwami ingane ngifuna ukuyilobola. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi kuzonqatshwa nje ukuthi hayibo semncane lwangalotsholo. Okwesinye isikhathi ingamlobolanga avedana akhulelwe umntwana. Athi meyikhulela umntwana athi uma uzongibulala ekhaya. Bese ngithi mina njengesigebengu ayikhulule kuze uma angakubulala ekhaya asambeni siye home affairs and siyoshada at least ngcono ekhaya kwaziwa ukuthi mina nawe sesishadile khona bezobona ukuthi ngiserious ngawo. Ithi ingane no angikwazi ukushada ngabatshelanga abazali ebese uthi omunye umuntu akuyona neyami lengane athi umunye yakho aphoma kweyami indaba ungafuni kibo babuwayo. Baningi abantu abanobugebengu la ngaphandle. Ihamba ingane yakho iyoshada wena ungazi. And automatically lengane yakho mishada ehome affairs ingayenzanga icontract kuzoba umshado ohlanganisayo lowo. Wena wazi bayafika sebehlala nawe sebeyakutshela lebhomu ukuthi esishadile sekukhulelwe lo. And abanye bethu bayophenika abazi bazokwenzakalana. Thandwa zami siyabazi abantu bebulawela amapolisi. Siyabazi abantu bebulawa ngoba nakho umuntu efuna ukuthatha zonke izinto zakho. Khona ama conversations we must have with our children. And sibe nawo isikhathi sekhona. Khona lezi zinto ezenziwa abantwana bethu manje and abanye bethu abadala bayazenza. And maybe there's nothing wrong, but sometimes they may be dangerous. Kunabantu esihlangana nabantu kuma dating apps. Awunayo background yakhe. Awumazi. And nigcina senithandana, nigcina senenza ama commitments, nigcina senenza izinto kodwa mhlambe awukaze wenza a thorough check up hlobo luni lomuntu lo engihlangana naye. Thandwa zami akuve kubalekile awumshado umuntu ngoba nakho umthanda. Uthando is not enough. You've got to sit down, you've got to think things through. Akuve kuyingozi uma uzoshada uvala amehlo uvale namadlebe. Uyingozi umuntu onjalo, umuntu ongasaboni nongasaboniseki, umuntu ongasakhuzwa nongakhuzeki, umuntu ongasatshelwa ukuthi hayibo thina lento ishoyo asiyiboni nje sengathi kunento kumele uyiqaphele. Athi omunye umuntu ayi unezimali zakhe lo yamuntu hayi uright. Thandwa zami asifike emhlabeni. Uyabona kunomuntu ongeza zolobola ingane yakho engathi ubeyothenga igrocer. Angahamba yothatha iloan. Athathe nje iloan, imnike futhi iloan, ayikhiphe zonke engapheleli lutho. Awenze umshado yonke into kubatshazwe, anilobole, anembese, anenzele yonke kubondwe, akhiphe eka nokusho nezimoto kushadwa ngazo. Uthola ukuthi yonke lento uyenze ngeloan. Why? Usecalculateile. Uyazi ukuthi le loan izokhikha and by the time ikhikha le loan lesisikweletu uzosikhokha ngezinto zenu. Nani nimethembe nithi hayi umkhwenyana wethu unakho konke udla izambane likapondwe buka nje indlela enze ngayo wayidiza nje ngemali nomntana wethu wayishaza zonke wayiqeda. Ingakho abanye bathi beshada the following week after honeymoon kufika incwadi zamasamanisi. Kufika incwadi sezintshela ukuthi hayibo wena ukweleta ukuthi and into ebhlungu ngomshado ohlanganisile. Hayi nje ukuthi okwamo kwakho. Ikweletu zami ezakho. Then at the end of the day uzorealize ukuthi lo muntu le mali ayiboleka ezolobola mina sekufanele ikhokhwe yimina manje. Ngoba sithatha umshado ohlanganisa amafa ayo yonke into. Sebonile ukuthi ngizothola ijackpot lapha. Thandwa zami siyabaza abantu abashada umuntu after 6 months ba divorce. Uthola ukuthi ukhiphe nje u20,000 walobola yonke into. After 6 months athi angisakufuni, athi omunye umuntu siyadivorce manje. And umshado ohlanganisile mase bedivorcile manje, awukho umshado ongenazo inkinga, awukho umshado ongenawo ama challenges. But after 6 months sebedivorcile, ahambe with half your pension, ahambe with half your inheritance, sekusegameni lakho konke akuthathe ahambe nakho. Kunezinto ezibalekile ekumele sizenze, kodwa masizenza masivuleni amehlo, masizenza asiqaphele. Akusiye wonke umuntu omesangweni la kwakho uthi baba ozocela ubuhlobo obuhle. Siqhubekeni ithandwa zami. Lamadoda akhuluma into ebalekile. Ayamkhumbuza uBoaz athi sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubusisa, sengathi uNkulunkulu angawubusisa nomuzi kaMalon oyovusa. uBowazi wazi kahle hle iqiniso lokuthi njengoba eyongena uRuth, kahle hle yena uyovusa umuzi kaMalon. Abantwana abayotholwa uBoaz, abantwana baMalon. But listen to this very carefully. Kumina uthi khona uMalon engeke akhohlakale among his brothers, so that his name will live among the dead, so that his name is perpetuated. uNkulunkulu khona into ayenzayo bese ethi lamakhehla sengathi uNkulunkulu angamletha lo nkosikazi emzini wakho afane no Rachel, afane no Leah, okuyibona abavusa bakha umuzi kaIsrael. Yazi ngiyakhuleka ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngiyafisa sikhulume ngemshado, kodwa ngiyakhuleka sengathi umuntu ozomshada nomuntu ozoshada naye angavusa umuzi ngecebo likaNkulunkulu. Nibe in alignment, nenze izinto ezinkhulisayo, nenze izinto ezenza impilo zenu zibe ngcono. There's so much that goes on among families. There's so much that goes on among relationships. Sometimes abanye abantu compromise so much. Sometimes abanye abantu go to the extreme of inkonzo kamina. And there's so much that I think we can learn from each other. There's so much that we can do for each other. Khona leli culo lika elithi Take Time to Know Her, Percy Sledge. Percy goes to his mother and he says, Mom, I think I found the woman. And Percy looks at her son and probably looks at the girl. Khona lezinto abantu abadala bakwazi ukuyibona ingane engayiboni. Ebese to Ma, Percy, take time to know her. This is not an overnight thing. Yabona khona umuntu, there's a difference ukuthi you judging the book by its cover. Kodwa khona omunye umuntu othi mumbona uhlale naye, uxoxe naye, observe, and we realize ngeke afithe lo like high. Ngeke akwazi lo ukwenza lento engifisayo emzini kaBaba. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngihlezi ngithi mina angeke umthathe ngicela ukwenza umzekeliso la. Ngeke uye emgaqweni uyothatha ibhola ebelikhahlelwa inombani. Wena ulithathe lelo bhola ebese uletha endlini ulenze kube yelakho, ngoba one day abanikazi bebhola bazolifuna, nali ibhola lizofuna ukubuyela emgaqweni la ebelikhahleleka khona kalula. Angeke ulithathe ibhola emgaqweni ebedlalwa inombani wena ulifaka endlini ebese uthi ibhola lakho, ngoba ngelinye ilanga lizofuna ukubuyela emgaqweni, noma abantu bebedlala emgaqweni bazolanda bathi sikhumbula ibhola lethu esasidlala ngalo. The other thing, uma uyothenga umuzi and mufika kulomuzi uyarealize ukuthi kunendlela abantu abahamba ngayo, kunendlela abantu abawucrossayo lo muzi, wena bese uyafika uthenge lo muzi. Well, the first thing you need to do ukubiyela, ngoba mungabiyeli abantu boloku benqamula kulo muzi wakho. Mawungabiyelanga vele bajwayele ukuthi kuyanqanyulwa la, bazonqamula. Kuthiwa isiZulu asitoliko, engimdabukelayo ongasizwa nhlobo nhlobo, kodwa ukwazi ukuthatha nombani uthi uzovusa umuzi naye. Mubheke ukuthi umthathaphi lo muntu, mbheke ukuthi hlobo luni lo muntu. Ngiyake ngithi mina, there are basic things that one must do. If we go on a date, I need to see how you treat a waiter. I need to see how you treat a cleaner. I need to see how you treat a man on the street. I need to know you when you are angry. I need to see how you treat your mother. I need to see how you treat your brother, your sister, your father. I need to see how you react when you are angry. I will never marry you until I know those things basically. I need to know how you behave mune mali. I need to know how you behave when you are broke. I need to know how you behave when you drink. I need to know how you behave when you drunk. I need to know the kind of friends that you keep. I need to know all those things, because birds of the same feather flock together. I need to know these things. And so I will take time in getting to know what kind of a woman is coming into my home. What kind of a man is coming into my home. Ngifuna ukubona where you are relaxed. Ngifuna ukubona makushoniwe wenze njani. Uzofika wena nje la ekhaya ube usichuthe ufuna ukwenzelwa izinto, noma uzofika la ekhaya ube ingane. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi mina mom, when I'm going through issues ukephi. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi silambile sobabili ubani ozodla kuqala, wena noma uzokwenzela thina sonke. Ngifuna ukubona makusele one piece on the plate uzomnikeza ba. Are you going to take it for yourself, or are you going to share it with us, or are you prepared to sacrifice for the other? Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ingane zethu uzozenza njani. Ngifuna ukubona how you treat umuntu who's less than you in status and in power. Once I know those things, I have an idea what kind of a person you are. Whether uzokwazi nokuvusa umuzi noma uzohluleka. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi hlobo luni lekhaya ovela kulona. uNkulunkulu somandla benathi asibusise, asivikele, asikhanyisele, asinikeze amandla nomusa nothando negrasiya lakhe, alubusise empilweni zethu ngegama likaYise neNdodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen. Asibusise uNkulunkulu. Have a blessed day. Thank you. God bless.